Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I like to style my hair when I know I'm not going to have time to really deal with it and I still want to protect it. Lately I've been bunning my hair because I have so much going on and I just want my hair out of my face. But to the style, I'm going to separate my hair into quadrants as I always do. It really helps me to get my styles in preparation. Then after I have my 4 sections, I'm going to spray each quadrant with water first. I love adding water to my hair before I style it because it adds moisture, and moisture is very good just to help prevent that breakage in my hair. And I'm pretty sure you can already tell that I did not start on freshly washed hair as I always do because I had recently washed it and it hadn't quite been a week yet. So I'm going to start on hair that already has product in it. And because my hair already has product in it, it's going to look a little bit flat. And as you can see, I'm just parting this quadrant in half, so I'm going to have 2 subsections that I'm going to braid. I'm combing my hair with this wide tooth comb just to ensure that there's no tangles, and then I'm going to use this Haitian black castor oil and apply it directly onto my scalp and work it down the length of my hair. I love using oils not only in my hair but also on my body because it really helps to retain that moisture, and I need that not only for my hair but also on my scalp. Because our hair is growing out of the scalp, you just want to create a nice environment for it. I'm going to make sure I apply the oil directly on my scalp and also massage it in the middle. And then for my styler, I'm going to be using this styling cream from Texture ID. I really like it because it has moisturizing ingredients and it also helps with my styles. Like if I'm doing a braid out or a twist out, I have great definition, moisture retention, and holds. I put some of the styling cream on my edges and just brushed it to smooth it in, and I'm going to start my braid. So my hair is very moisturized, and it's perfect to have my hair like this for the next week or 2 if I want. Because I have a lot going on, this is a style that I could do for a week to 2 weeks and just re-moisturize my hair in between as needed and really not worry about my hair because I know that my hair is taken care of rather than just leaving it loose. And I like to take a little of the styling cream and just twirl the ends with it just to make sure that my ends are nice and secure and moisturized. This process is pretty simple. All I'm doing is making sure that my hair has a good amount of water. Then I'm going to apply my castor oil directly to my scalp and work it in all the way down to the length of my hair and add my styler. I really like this one from Texture ID because every single time I use it, I get great definition, moisture retention, also holds. Make sure every single time that you are doing a style, like for me, I'm doing a braid, I'm doing with great intent just to make sure that any style that I do is going to last and hold. And here's how my hair looks after I've completely finished the style, but of course I have to show you the back. So typically I start back to front just because it makes more sense for me to do it that way, and I'm doing the same exact process. Now typically I would start on freshly washed hair, but occasionally I have done this style on top of hair that has already been styled and has product in it, and it just works very similar. My hair stays nice and moisturized. I don't have to worry about it. I just refresh as needed, and my hair is protected, so I don't have to really think about it. I don't have to worry about it. It still looks presentable if I want to go out, etc. So this is one of my go-to styles when I know I'm really not going to have time during the week to take care of my hair, but I don't want to neglect it at all. I still want my hair to be nice and moisturized and healthy. Now that all of my hair has been braided, I have 8 braids in total, and I really like the way that they came out. Yes, I do have some white residue, but it definitely dries clear. Sometimes I have these stray hairs at the end of the braid and I just cut it. And sometimes I like to pull the braids back with an elastic, but because I was going to sleep, I'm just gonna secure my hair with the Main Choice bonnet. I like this one because it's snug around my edges, but it has a lot of room for my hair. And I just washed my face and went to sleep. And another reason why I like this style is because it easily turns into a braid out. So say after a few days, a week, 2 weeks, and you're ready to unravel the braids, you can, because your hair is dry, and then you can have a nice bomb braid out if you want, or you can definitely wash your hair. Typically for me, if I do this, I will wash my hair. And I know many of you may be wondering when I did this video because the background looks completely the same, and truth be told, it was the same day. I just did this video backwards, but I did style my hair this way a few days prior, and I was gonna film it, but at last minute I didn't film it. And then I was thinking in hindsight I should have filmed it because I know many of you may have wanted to see this type of video, so then I just styled my hair again a few days later. I really love the definition that I got from the styler. I'm definitely gonna film a braid out for you using the styler because it's so good. And if I was gonna wear my hair like this, I would do a side part because I love the way it frames my face. But as I've already mentioned, I have product on top of product on top of product because I styled my hair already in a twist out. Then I styled my hair in the 8 braids, and then I styled my hair again in the 8 braids so I could film it. So my hair is definitely weighed down with product. So I would just wash my hair at this point, which I did. But I'm just letting you know that you do have options here. I put some edge control on my roots just to smooth it down, and I took some pictures, but then I put it back because I like the way it looked better with the middle part. I really hope that you enjoyed my video and just seeing the different options that you have and giving your hair a break. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!